Hello everyone! I've developed a very interesting problem with my faucet. When I turn on the water, water leaks not only from the spout but also from under the faucet handle. Surprisingly, there's no leak now, but last night there was a strong leak from under the faucet. Water flows into the tray and accumulates. I turned off the water overnight to prevent flushing, turned it back on in the morning, and the leak went away. But I'm still going to take the faucet apart today. First, you need to remove the handle. To do this, I pull out the red and blue plug and take a special Allen key. I insert it into the socket and unscrew the screw counterclockwise. Now I remove the handle, then unscrew the decorative nut. Now I take a Swedish wrench and unscrew the lock nut under the cartridge. I remove the cartridge. I visually inspected the cartridge and noticed a very large crack under the head. Because of this crack, water was leaking periodically under pressure. I bought a new cartridge at the market. Now we install it in its place so that it fits into its groove. Next, using a Swedish wrench, I tighten the lock nut under the cartridge clockwise. Next, I screw in the decorative nut. Now it's time to test the faucet. Everything works fine. There are no leaks. Now I install the faucet handle in its place and tighten the screw with an Allen key. Thank you for your attention. Like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, ask in the comments. Goodbye.